my name is Silas. Today we're going to quickly cover the main benefits of the Swift multi-user order management platform. Since its launch in 2016, Swift has continued to evolve into a fantastic tool for increasing efficiency, reducing double entry, and also giving managers a greater level of control over expenditure. With over 500 clients currently using the Swift platform, ranging from large organisations of 1,000 plus staff down to small teams of 5, Swift is quickly becoming a vital part of helping organisations to grow more efficiently and manage large and growing teams. Let's have a quick look at some of the main features and benefits of Swift.
The beauty of the Swift ordering system is the ability to add users under the user tab on the main account. This is a specifically important and very beneficial program for any clinics who have satellite clinics or any healthcare providers who have multiple staff out in the field or simply working remotely. So what you'll see in this example here is we have 5 staff members. Kelvin is a state manager and reports back to the main account holder. Then we have 4 other individuals who are all clinicians who report back to Kelvin as the state manager. Now within each of these users, you have the ability to show or hide the wholesale pricing. In that case, I would just see the RRP pricing. You also have the ability to select which address is their default address. You have the ability to give the clinician the ability to create further users that report to them. Or you have the ability to add order approvals. And order approvals can be dictated around a particular dollar value, or just simply every order comes back through to Kelvin. So as you can see in this example, you have the ability to edit or customize the name of the list to whatever your particular requirements are. You also have the ability to edit or reorder the list in any particular format or layout that works best for your storage space. The beauty of this is it allows you to reorder your list based on where the product sits in that storage space, whether it be left to right or top to bottom, and that ultimately increases the efficiency of the order taker when they're putting together their order. The other great thing about this list is the very visual component. So as you can see here, we have an image of the product as well as the name of the product. This is important for the individual placing the order in view of quickly identifying the product on its shelf and which particular line it matches with. We also have the availability of the product, whether it's in stock or out of stock, or stock is getting low. From here, you will see the ordering matrix. This is a very powerful system that allows you to place orders based on the history of the product. So that is the individual's history. And then obviously the main account has the whole clinic or the whole group's history within these 4 fields. So here you'll see on the top line, May there was 20, June there was 15, July there was 10, and August there was 15. So from that historical data we can see there, a suggested stock number would be 15, would probably be a good number to put in there. And as you can see, each of these fields have been saved, and each clinician or individual would be basing their reordering on the suggested stock amount. The beauty of this is when you come to the cupboard or the storage space to check your stock, let's say for this particular item there were only 9 in stock. As you will notice, as you continue to go down the list, whether there's more stock or less stock than there should be in the storage cupboard, the individual is obviously taking a stock take, whether that's weekly or monthly, and it's automatically pre-populating what needs to be ordered this time around. So once we've completed that, all we simply do is click Add to Cart, and from there the order ultimately is processed by the clinician. So once the individual has placed the order, that particular order will flow back through to the manager. So in this case it's come back through to Kelvin and appear in his My Orders to Approve section. Now Kelvin would have also received an email with the ability for him to approve or decline the order from that email. However, if you do come into the account, you'll have the ability to obviously view the products on that order. So as we can see here, the products that the individual has ordered. And then also you have the ability to send it for final approval, in which case, if there were no further approval steps or process, it will come straight through to us for dispatch. However, if you have a further step, it would obviously send this particular order on to the next individual to sign off. Or you have the ability to decline the order, and that ultimately sends a notification back to the individual, letting them know that their manager has declined the order. As a team leader or practice manager, it is very important for you to know the current status of your orders and when they hope to be delivered. The beauty of the Swift system is under the ordering section, you have the ability to view the different orders placed by your team and where they're up to in the ordering process. So here you'll notice we've had the order we've just placed today, and as you can see, it's just been placed and sent through to us for dispatch. What you'll also notice is an order we placed recently, and here you can see where it's been entered, when it was packed, when it was waiting collection from the couriers, and when it's on its way. You also have the ability to click on here and follow the tracking details through with the courier company.
Implementing Swift is extremely simple and usually only takes a couple of days to set up initially. We have helped hundreds of organisations save time, reduce strains of managing a large team, and maintain control of expenditure with Swift. Reach out to us today and we'd love to help you start winning.